This video will systematically introduce various effective solutions to help you safely exit the Connect to iTunes screen. You can try them one by one based on your situation. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. A force restart can quickly resolve temporary system glitches, like when your iPhone is stuck on the Connect to iTunes screen due to a minor crash. This method won't affect your data. For iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold power plus volume down until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press and hold power plus home until the Apple logo appears. If the iPhone restarts normally, the issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Fix 2. Reinstall iOS via iTunes. If a force restart doesn't work, the next step is to reinstall iOS. This is one of the repair methods recommended by Apple, which allows you to reinstall iOS without deleting your data. Step 1. Ensure that you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer, then open it. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using the USB cable that came with your device. Step 3. iTunes will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and offer two options: restore or update. Step 4. Select update to reinstall iOS on your iPhone without erasing your data. Fix 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. To fix an old iPhone stuck on the Connect iTunes screen, perform a full restore using iTunes. Note that this will erase all content and data, so back up your iPhone first. Step 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone. Step 2. When the recovery prompt appears, select Restore. Step 3. iTunes will download the firmware and reinstall iOS. Step 4. After completion, set up your iPhone. Step 5. Restore data from iCloud or iTunes backup if available. Fix 4. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. If your iPhone is still stuck on Connect to iTunes, try DFU Device Firmware Update mode. It bypasses iOS for deeper system repair, but it's more complex and will erase data. Step 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to your PC. Step 2. Depending on your iPhone model, follow the instructions below to enter DFU mode. iPhone 6 or earlier, hold home plus side for 8-10 seconds, release side, and keep holding home until iTunes detects the device in recovery mode screen stays black. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down plus side for 8-10 seconds, release side. Continue holding volume down for 5 seconds until iTunes confirms DFU mode screen stays black. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, volume down, then hold side until the screen goes black. Hold both volume down plus side for 5 seconds, release side. Continue holding volume down for 5 more seconds. iTunes will confirm DFU mode. Step 3. Once in DFU mode, click on Restore iPhone. This will erase your iPhone and begin a fresh installation of iOS. Your iPhone will restart once the restoration process is complete. Fix 5. Using iOS system recovery. For a simpler, safer solution to fix an iPhone stuck on Connect to iTunes without data loss, use a professional tool like iOS System Recovery. It can resolve iOS issues such as recovery mode loops, boot failures, and system crashes. Step 1. Launch the program on your computer and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. On the program interface, click on More Tools and then select the iOS System Recovery option. Step 2. Click the Start button at the bottom, and the program will automatically detect and display potential issues with your iPhone, such as the red screen of death, unresponsive screen, iTunes error 21, iPhone error 2009, and more. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone's details. If everything is correct, click the Repair button. If not, select the correct model and then click Repair to begin fixing the iPhone. Fix 6. Ask Apple support. If none of the above solutions resolve the issue, a hardware problem might be causing your iPhone to be stuck on the Connect to iTunes screen. In this case, we recommend scheduling an appointment with Apple to have the hardware checked at an Apple store.